One of the first things we want to talk about is if you were upgrading, one of the caveats of having a previous version of Windows on a machine is that Microsoft, for whatever reason, as usual, decided, yeah, let's make the upgrade path from XP to 7 difficult. So by making it difficult, they basically, you can't just put the disk in and upgrade it. It doesn't work that way. So you have to do this thing called easy transfer if you want to bring all your settings over. And if you want to bring your files over. And there's a bunch of ways that this works, but one of the easiest ways is through this use of this easy transfer cable. And it's basically a USB cable. If it's a new machine, which I would, you were going from an old machine to a new machine, you could attach this cable, follow the directions of the easy transfer wizard, and then transfer all the data directly over it. If you're going and upgrading a machine in place, then you have to use this easy upgrade wizard in some sort of external storage device, like a USB flash drive or a USB backup drive. I have one around, but I didn't bring it with me. But basically one of these portable hard drives, something with a lot of storage on it, and then it'll help copy all your settings over, and it'll copy all your files over, and then you basically install Windows 7 fresh. Just a fresh copy. You run the wizard again for the easy transfer, and it brings everything back. All the settings, favorites, files, you name it, brings it right back. So I definitely recommend, if you're upgrading a machine from XP, that you use the easy transfer wizard to do that. And if you are going to do one from one computer to another, then maybe the cable. Is anybody ever planning on doing that? Doing one from one machine to another? Brian, guess what? You get to have this cable. So if anybody else, I have 2 of them, if anybody else is planning, oh look, see, when they're closest, that's the advantages of sitting up front from now on is that you don't necessarily get the easy handout.
I'll get a bill for the sandwiches and the cable.
This cable, they're not expensive either. If you were to buy them at a store, I think they're about $30, so it's not terrible.
$60? I made of money.
So, so if in terms of the easy transfer, it's probably. Oh, by the way, if you were running Vista, is anybody here running Vista? A lot of others want. Everybody's just okay. It'll actually do an in-place upgrade. So at least they were nice enough about that, right? Yeah.
I don't need any cable.
The new cable needed, right? In place.